Hey everyone. So in this video, I want to talk about vision and why it's important to have a vision. You see, your brain works like a GPS, right? When you have a vision in your mind of where you want to go, you're telling your brain and body what you want to create, where you want to go, okay? It's like being in a car. When we hop in, we either think about where we're going or we put into the GPS where we want to go and then we're guided there, okay? Same thing with our brain. If we have a vision, we use our conscious mind to create a vision, right? And then our subconscious mind directs us to that and starts to create that, okay? Now, without a vision, you are left staying stuck, spinning your wheels, literally spinning your wheels in the same spot, stuck where you are because you're not feeding your brain a new destination. So how can it create something if you're not giving it a new destination? And so a lot of people are walking around without a vision and wondering why they're just not getting what they want and staying stuck where they are and not seeing anything different in their life because they're not inputting anything different. Okay? You can't create anything without a vision, seriously. Like a vision can be a big vision, like a 10-year vision, 5-year vision, but it also can be a smaller vision, like, I want to have an amazing day today. I want it to flow easily. Or, you have a work meeting. I want this work meeting to be easygoing. Everyone gets along. It goes great. I want to go on a nice long walk on the beach and feel relaxed and peaceful. Even that's a vision. You can do mini visions, And so, when you are putting this vision out there, using your conscious mind to direct your subconscious mind. It's like steering a ship, okay? So think of your conscious mind, which is only 5% of the puzzle, and your subconscious mind is 95%, right? And if you use that conscious mind to show the subconscious mind where you want to go, the direction, then you are aiming your arrow for the bullseye of that vision. Does that make sense? So let me know in the comments, is this where you're failing? Are you not making a vision for your life, right? And if you want to do that, pop a new vision in the comments. You can do a short-term vision, a 5-year vision, a 10-year vision. I want to know. Put it in the comments. Put it out there to the universe. Direct your life where you want to go. I want to see it, and I want to give it energy as well so you can create that and manifest that. Okay, so if you've liked this video, make sure you like it so I know to bring you more of this content, and subscribe and hit the bell notification because then you're notified of upcoming readings and videos that I do. And I would love to see you on the channel and, connecting with me. And I hope you like the content and it's helping you. And remember, get that vision. What is it? All right. See ya.